Hi, and welcome back. In our previous video, we covered programs and how they help you manage strategic initiatives. Today, we're shifting our focus to scorecards, a powerful tool designed for executives and leaders to track their most important metrics and key results. Think of scorecards as your executive dashboard. It's a curated summary that keeps everyone focused on what matters most without getting bogged down in the details. I'm sure you may be wondering what's the difference between programs and scorecards. Well, here's how to think about it. Programs represent your major strategic initiatives, each with various OKRs, and may cover multiple projects. Scorecards, on the other hand, are designed to monitor key targets and metrics that are considered top priorities by the executive team. These may pertain to functional areas, overarching organizational goals, or other essential metrics and key results requiring close attention. Let's dive into it. In the side navigation, locate Scorecard and click on it. By default, you're going to land on the Programs tab. Click on Scorecards, and this will list all the scorecards that you have created. The top right of each scorecard, you'll see the total number of key results that are linked up to that specific scorecard. To see specific details for a scorecard, click on it, and that will bring you to the scorecards dashboard. Back on the Scorecards tab, above the different scorecards you've created, you can search by name for a specific scorecard, or filter your view by list view or scorecard view. And then to the right of that, we have our Add Scorecard button. Click on that, and let's create a new scorecard from scratch. Let's enter a name for our scorecard, and let's give it a description. Click Create, and this will create our scorecard. Now that we have our scorecard created, we need to link some key results to our specific scorecard. To the right of the scorecard name, you'll see the Select Key Results button. Click on that, and now we need to link our key results. Here, you'll see a list of the different programs to choose from. Let's pick one of these programs to link its key results to our scorecard. After I click the program, you'll see it opens up to show all the objectives for a specific program. From here, I can drill down and view the key results associated with each objective. To select a key result to pin, click the checkbox next to that specific key result. And then if you want to select all of the key results underneath that objective, click the checkbox like I just did there, and you'll see all of the key results underneath this objective is selected. And then if I unselect it, you'll see that all of the checkboxes went away, and now let's only select one of those. Now let's go down to a different program here. Let's look into another objective, and let's select a few of these key results here on the list. Now you'll see when I click this key result, you can see that it's selected, and then it shows the actual project below that's linked up to that key result. Now let's go select a few other ones to pin to our scorecard here. Now you can see if I select all of them, I want all these key results selected. Let's click that checkbox like I just did, and you'll see at the top we have 5 out of key results showing. And let's select a few more. I don't want to select the whole group, so let's uncheck that bottom one there, and now we'll have a total of 7 out of 8 key results selected and pinned to our scorecard here. So now here you can see, here's all of our pinned key results that we just selected. And to simply unpin one from this list, there's an unpin button on the bottom right corner of each of these key results that you selected. If you click the unpin button, that unpins it from our view here. Now below that, we have a few different sections. Okay, we have a section that shows our outstanding issues, tasks, and then associated projects for these key results at the top. Okay, in this specific instance, we don't have any key results that have any outstanding issues. So let's see if we can find one so we can show how they appear there. So there we go. So now I selected a key result that has some outstanding issues, and now you'll see down here, you'll see all the outstanding issues for the specific key result that I just linked up. Okay, you can easily click on the title of that issue, and that'll show some additional information on that issue here. To the right, it shows you the issue type, the status, who it's assigned to, and then the due date. Then if you click tasks in progress over here, this will show you all the different tasks that are linked up to these key results above. Okay, again, if you click on the title of the task, that shows you different task details. To the right, it shows you the status, who it's assigned to, and the due date as well. Then the last tab is our associated projects tab. This shows you any associated projects that these key results are a part of. So you can see here for the Azure Advanced Specialization Certification, we have 10% complete, and these are the key results linked up to it. If you look to the right, here's the Knowledge Management System project, sitting at 0% complete, and these are the key results linked up to it based on our pinned key results from above. Now, if you have more than 2 projects, you can click on these arrows over here on the top right corner, and this will show you any additional projects after 2 that are showing on your screen here that are linked to your key results. To the right of this section, we have our to-do and follow-up section. Here is where you can add specific to-do list items for this scorecard and or your team. To add one, click in this text box, and let's add a to-do list item. Type it in the box. Once ready, click the plus to add it in, and you'll see your new to-do list item here comes up on the screen. Let's add another one. Once you type it in, click the plus to add it. You'll see now we have 2 to-do list items. You can click on the icons to the left to drag the order of these to-do list items to prioritize them. To the right of that icon, you can have your checkbox to mark it off as complete. If you uncheck it, it marks it off back to not started. And then if you want to delete it, click the trash can all the way to the right, and that deletes it. So this scorecard layout brings everything together. Critical metrics pinned at the top, detailed breakdowns of issues and projects in the middle, and shared action items on the right. It's a comprehensive workspace designed to help you track and achieve your strategic goals with clarity and focus. So that brings us to the end of our video for today. I hope you enjoyed it, and please check back later for more videos. Have a great day.